isitha bazothi zero, you're a racist. I'm not a racist. I hate the system that you have created. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, the system exists and the system yenza sure ukuthi umuntu omnyama stays at the bottom. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emumva and fully understand ukuthi South Africa spends 300 billion per year on basic education, yet outcomes still remain catastrophic kwiy'kole zabantu abamnyama. Understand the hard truth yokuthi 80% of public schools are classified as dysfunctional and fewer than 10% matric learners pass mathematics with high marks that enable them to be able to get a degree. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and fully understand ukuthi iy'kole zabantu abamnyama does not teach you i-investing, i-tax system, i-business structuring, i-ownership model, i-compound interest, and most importantly, you mntu omnyama know nothing about ama-assets nama-liabilities. Why? Because they are preparing you for i-9 to 5. They do not want you to think independently because umuntu omnyama who uses ingqondo yakhe is a threat. Financial education. Ask yourself one question mntu omnyama. Why njengoba ubuka le video right now do you know nothing about imali? It's not your fault. It's the system. And understand, listen to me. Over 70% of imizi that are run by umuntu omnyama have zero to no savings. Yes. Understand ukuthi less than 10% of South Africans invest in any form of assets. Only 10% yabantu bethu aba-investayo. Understand ukuthi the majority of abantu abahlala in townships, locations, they depend on i-credit, isikweletu. They depend on store cards. They depend on ama-loan sharks. We know nothing about money because the system made sure, isitha made sure that we do not understand imali. Let us not forget the source of happiness, the river of life, the girlfriend that never refuses to be kissed. Amanda, we love you. This is the truth. Understand ukuthi South Africa ranks amongst the top consumers of Amanda in Africa. Understand ukuthi ama-townships, iy'ndawo zethu have high density of iy'tolo, stores that sell Amanda. The system is real and the system was created to make sure ukuthi